Dino the dragon and Kit the kitten were best friends. One sunny day, they walked to the big sandy beach. Kit said, "Let us build the world's biggest sandcastle today." Dino wiggled his tail and said, "Yes, let us try." They found shiny buckets and colorful shovels near the shore. Kit used her little paws to scoop up soft sand. Dino used his wings to fan the sand into piles. They packed the sand tightly into the big round bucket. Kit flipped the bucket over and a tower popped up. Dino blew tiny warm puffs to dry the sand fast. They stacked tower after tower, building higher and higher together. Kit added pretty shells to decorate each and every wall. Dino used his claws to carve fun windows and doors. Oh no, a wave splashed and knocked one tower down. Kit laughed and said, "We can always build it again." They worked together and fixed the tower even better now. A rainbow appeared right above their giant sandy masterpiece castle. The sandcastle was so tall it tickled the fluffy clouds. Everyone on the beach cheered and clapped for the friends. Dino and Kit hugged tight. Teamwork makes every dream come true.